How to play Counter-Strike 2 private matchmaking with friends. Start the game and wait for it to load up. Look for the play option on the main menu and click on it. In the play menu, you'll see various options. Choose matchmaking from the list. If you see that the option for private matchmaking is grayed out, don't worry. You just need to play a few regular deathmatch games to unlock it. Head into a game, maybe on the Dust 2 map, and play a couple of deathmatches. Once you've played a bit, go back to the matchmaking menu. Now that private matchmaking is unlocked, select private matchmaking from the options. To invite your friends, make sure your party is open. Click on Open Party to allow them to join. If you prefer, you can also share a code with your friends. Click on Share Code and copy it to your clipboard. Send the code to your friends or invite them directly through Steam. They can join your lobby by entering the code or accepting your invitation. Once your friends have joined your lobby, simply click Go to start the private match. Now, you and your friends are ready to enjoy some private matchmaking together in Counter-Strike 2. Thanks for watching. Now you're all set to enjoy private matchmaking with your friends in Counter-Strike 2. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Happy gaming, and see you in the next one.